I made this little rover based on the ESP-32 cam. Idea from DroneBot Workshop. It works with Wi-Fi and then a web page. But the connection is a little bit too unstable, I think, so I'll try to do something new with it and use ESP-NOW instead. So I'm trying to hook up two ESP-32s and using the ESP-NOW protocol because it seems more stable and a bit more seamless connectivity. And then still use the ESP-32 cam just for the campsite and not for controlling anything. But yeah, wheels are from a hoverboard, and two control units to drive this brushless motor with encoder feedback, or remove some of the unnecessary components and start fiddling with the programming. Now it's just down to making some changes to that ESP-NOW code and then try it out. Why not? Yes, updated version now with some transistors and some voltage divider, just to make sure that we can brake and actually stay braked even when we're not using it for a long time. So let's plug this back in. Power on. Oh yeah, already now I can feel there's a good resistance. There's nothing else to do than take it out for a spin again and see if it's behaving a little better. Okay, so I made some updates to the software, not huge, but again, idea just stolen from Bill's robot from the DroneBot Workshop. So thanks, Bill, for the inspiration. So I just put some new pixels on, and yeah, so to add to the, and also on the transmitter side there will be a small OLED display. Hopefully I've ordered 2 of those XY, and one of them is controlling the rover, of course, forward, backwards, left, right. The other one should be pan and tilt for when I'm mounting the camera again. So I think I might make a remote control that has a room for cell phone at least. So, but, and then of course a toggle state, and there will be 5, 6 auxiliary buttons, outputs, yeah, for those outputs, I have had this idea. I had this fertilizer spreader laying around for many years and use it. So in an undocumented way, I just made it automatic now. I put a servo in to open the gate to the spreader, and then put a little Arduino and a small controller in. So now I can, via this D-sub connector here, control it with 2 speeds and closed, half open and full open of the gate. Yeah, just for now. That might be something for a test drive and hooked on the fertilizer spreader. It was a so-so experience. It was working at some point, and that I did not like the idea that the spreader was connected directly to the ESP-32 board. So I will implement a relay board, so everything is totally isolated from one another. And when I'm at it, I might just add an optocoupler as well for the input, so everything is just separated. So I might end up making a new piece of MDF where all the components can sit, so it's easier to move around. The short update for now. I think I will just call it for this time. Next time I probably would have been installing this, so these will just go into the input, and I will have total separated outputs for whatever implements that will be attached in the future. Okay, until next time, see you.